Hello friends, welcome to Lord Nepal channel. Today we are going to learn about Daemon Tools. First of all, what is Daemon Tools? Daemon Tools is a virtual drive and optical disc authoring program for Microsoft Windows and Mac OS. It is compatible with Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and Mac. Currently, there are 8 types of products provided by Daemon Tools. But today we are only talk about Daemon Tools Lite version. The Lite version is free imaging software with basic functionality having feature like mounting disk images, mount VHDS and TrueCrypt files, grab images from physical disks, organize your images catalog and emulate up to 4D TSCSI devices. To download this software, go to the link shown in the description below. Click on Download menu. You can directly click on download button to download software or open different page for now, click on Daemon Tools Lite heading. Now click download button. I already downloaded the file, so I will cancel it. Now find the downloaded file and install by following steps. Now find and open any disk image file. It will be automatically mounted by creating a new CD drive in my computer. After finishing using, you can eject the CD drive. As you can see, it will create a new drive on each time when you mount a new disk image. If you don't want this, then please do following steps. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to like, share and comment, and click on bell icon to get notification when I upload a new video.